Hi guys, and today, other day of snow.
4 inches.
Oh, 4 inches, I'm right, honey. A lot of snow. So powder. Look at this. Wow. Look at that there.
Ooh, 7 inches.
7 inches.
This is very powdery, good for skiing.
Yeah. The highest 9 inches.
Whoa! 8.5 inches.
Hi guys, and today, other day of snow. And last night guys is have a big storm, and then now look at outside, have a lot of snow. So cold, my goodness. Ang lamig-lamig dito guys. So we go, I show you guys. Let's look like here in Utah. Ang lamig-lamig. Is the snowstorm last night. Here is the snowstorm. See that 4 inches, Anna?
Huh?
4 inches the snow last night.
3 inches? Let me get a
Look
ruler.
like maybe 5. See, look at this guys. It's so cold here. My goodness. See the mountain there? You cannot see. It's so white. Look. It's super white. The neighbor there is shoveling. I can hear the noise. Oh, look at
4 inches.
oh, 4 inches. I'm right, honey.
Yeah. 4 to 8. That's what we got. Oh, it's still snowing.
Let's look at the snow. Oh, super cool.
Yeah, these are going right through.
Yeah, I have no gloves.
Want some-
So cool. Oh, I'm frozen now, guys.
Powder,
Oh my goodness. Wow, nice, honey, to make a halo-halo.
though. Like a what?
You make halo-halo so that maybe the viral
It's a hollow hollow.
ice cream. Look at that snow. A lot of snow. It's snowing. Oh no. It's snowing. Okay guys, we shovel now. We start shovel.
On the counter. I saw them on the workbench. Been there for about 2 weeks.
Let's go guys.
Go that way. Just go.
Okay guys, I'm starting shovel. Here's the pile of snow. At that pile of snow, guys.
I'm not going to do this. I'm going to plow more.
Yeah. See that snow there. Whew. A lot of snow. Okay, here is all is white.
Snowman?
Yeah,
No, it's powder.
snowman.
It wouldn't stick together right.
Yeah, cause it's powder. Nice this to make a halo. Look at this. It's so powder. See? I show you guys. The snow look like the blender. You blend. So powder. Look at this. Wow. Ah, ang lamig. Look at. Look at this. So further, guys. See. There. Okay. Shovel now. Shovel. I put you here. Here.
We haven't gotten him ready for school yet, have we? You feed him yet?
Have na people doing the stuff. It's so cool. Oh, it's ice. Now it's done. Okay. It's super cold in the backyard.
Can't shut the door.
Huh?
Can't shut the door.
Why?
We have a power out.
Oh no, my goodness. It's run out. Okay, we go to the backyard, guys. It's so hard, huh? Why? Because of the snow. There is. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. The door is stick the ice. See? Look at this here, guys. Here it is. Woo. So tugnaw. Tugnaw kayo. Ang lamig-lamig dito. See, look at this, guys. Look at that, guys. The table there, picnic table. See that? Is have snow there, even inside now have a roof there. See? Because of the wind, it's blow. Look at that bucket. A bucket full of snow. It's so cool looking, huh? Look at that. My tree. See the tree? All is white here. Look at the snow. Look at it blowing the snow there in the rope. Look at that, guys. See? There he is. It's the small backyard, guys. See the mountain? All is white, white, white. Guys, hi guys. Today is February 3rd. This is the big storm in Utah. only last night, guys, the snow. But this, look at this. Tanawa. Tanawa ang snow. Have a lot of snow. Ang daming snow. Ganda to. Maggawa ng halo-halo. Halo-halo. This all is powder. See that, guys? It's a powder. See? So powder. Okay, guys, and that's it for today. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye! Ay, mayroong pahabol. Oh, nandito. See, look at the stairs, guys. I right here, guys. Oops, my goodness. Pinay. Pinay. There he is. Pinay. In. U. S. A. There you go. Pinay in USA. Welcome to Pinay in USA. There he is. Ayan, ang channel ko, guys. If you new this channel, hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And bye-bye. Hi, guys. Here's RJ. Is awake now. And there's what you doing, RJ? What you doing there?
And look how much the snow goes up.
No. What you do? Oh no, it's so cold, RJ. No. It's super cold.
When I went out there, the garbage pail guy was there.
Up there.
And he came and got the pail. He found it on the side, brought it over to his truck.
Uh-oh.
He said he didn't have any no lids. So he gave us a whole brand new pail.
Wow, that's good.
Brand new. The cover's real light. It's lighter than the old one. You have to check it out.
Maybe plastic as a light.
Go into the drift.
Good there, RJ. Woo.
Right there. Now come
Oh
towards me.
my goodness.
Right there.
It's so cold, RJ. It's so cold.
Some of the flat areas there were like 5 inches.
Yeah.
Let me get the ruler.
It's super cold, RJ. Look at you, RJ. Look at that there.
Ooh, 7 inches.
7 inches.
This is very powdery. Good for skiing.
Yeah. It's so cold, RJ. You want to ski, RJ?
7 inches.
7 inches.
6.5.
My goodness, RJ.
How about right here?
There. Maybe little there.
4 inch.
Oh, see? Because it's cover. Yep, 9 inches. The highest 9 inches.
Whoa. 8.5 inches.
Daddy measure the all yard. Oh, so cold. Really? Wow. My goodness.
Right there.
It's super cold, RJ. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That's the deepest one we had over there.
Yep.
9 inch. gonna be a madhouse. I'm picking up the kids. There's be 1,000 cars. All the mommies are.
Yep.
What do you got? 7 inch.
Wow. My goodness.
How about right here?
2 inches.
There's a French car.
You're cheating now, this camera.
Put a sweatshirt on. What's on Anyway, that's 10.5 inch over there.
There is RJ.
1 inch.
You measure all the whole yard.
Okay, we can't film you anymore.
You so far away, RJ. Cannot stay. RJ.
Looks like the blue sky's coming.
Ooh. Oh, it's so cold. I'm shaking now, RJ. Enough
Okay, we're
now.
going in, RJ.
Enough now, RJ.
What?
Over there, when I went deeper, I got 11 inches.
You will.
11 inch.
11
Wow, that's a
is. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Are you okay, RJ? It's enough.
School for the day. You learn how to measure.
Okay, it's enough, RJ. Say bye-bye.
Okay, let's go in.